15 years ago, I was a girl who embodied the essence of Papa's princess and Mama's apple of the eye. I was a happy, ambitious, and courageous girl, excelling in my studies with dreams of becoming a fashion designer. However, at the age of 21, my life took an unexpected turn when I got married. While everyone in my in-laws' house was kind, I struggled to fit in. Eager to make them happy, I often set aside my own work and desires to meet their expectations, which only seemed to increase there over time. Despite my efforts, my relationships with my in-laws deteriorated, and even my supportive husband and I began to argue over family issues. I felt lonely, unloved, constantly stressed, and guilty. This emotional turmoil took a toll on my health, leading to neuro problems and obesity. I lost all motivation to care for myself, feeling trapped in darkness and unable to utilize my brilliance and ambition. My career aspirations faded, and I had no control over my emotions at all. During this challenging period, I was blessed with a wonderful son. Yet, I constantly felt like I was failing as a mother due to my scattered life and deteriorating health, wealth, and relationships. Despite these struggles, my strong sense of responsibility fueled my belief that I could change my life's trajectory. However, I was desperately seeking a way to do so. My husband, Shomik, the powerhouse and the support system in my life, handed me a book one day, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. This book marked a turning point for me. I realized that I was a victim of emotional imprisonment and that I held the key to my own emotional freedom. Although it was hard to accept, I understood that my reality was a reflection of my thoughts. Embracing the wisdom of the law of attraction, I began to implement its principles in my life. Slowly but surely, things started to shift. I moved from complaining, blaming, and crying to smiling, expressing gratitude, and developing a sense of acceptance. My relationships improved, my health stabilized, and I freed myself from neuromedicines. I felt healthier, more positive, and energetic. During this period, I also began a career as a health and wellness consultant, which brought satisfaction for a few years. However, I eventually sensed that something was still missing in my career and financial life. Even though I was making a good money, I felt a disconnection between my profession and my core values. While I continued to believe in the law of attraction, I sought to align my profession with my true passion. At this crucial juncture, I met my guru Mitesh Khetri, who helped bridge the gap in my life. Through a powerful healing system, my entire life underwent a transformation with the help of him. I also had the privilege of learning from other estimated gurus of my life, including Dr. John D. Martini, Dr. Zoe Vitale, and Dr. Hewlett. And still I am learning from them. Their guidance and teachings contributing immensely in my journey. I lost 21 kilograms of my body weight, started pursuing my passion as my profession, and saw all areas of my life, health, wealth, and relationships improve dramatically. My relationships become loving, caring, and accepting, and I was blessed with a precious daughter. My husband became my best friend. Today, I am living my dream life every day, every moment, all because of I decided to practice this magical healing with the law of attraction. This journey has taught me the power of belief, gratitude, and self-healing, allowing me to create the life I always dreamed of.